the Vintage Gardener. First off, let's check out my shirt. Look at this botanical shirt. Ooh, yeah. I got it from Target. But I'm outside today because I am going to harvest some Nigella seeds. I grew Nigella, or Love and a Miss, first time this year. And I noticed that there were seed pods forming. And now the seed pods they're slightly opening. And so I'm gonna see if you guys can see this. Oops. Yeah, there we go. That's what they look like. And so you know they're ready to harvest when they start opening and you can hear it rattling, which you can. So I'm going to clip these off because I want to seed save for next year so that I don't have to buy quite as many seeds as I did this year. Though I probably will end up doing that because I'm sure I'll probably find a bunch of other plants that I don't have that I want to grow. But let me flip the camera around. So this is what I'm working with here. And so this is the seed pod right here. And as you can see, it's starting to open at the top. So I am just going to try to do this one-handed. So I'm just gonna clip it like so. Oops, and that didn't even land in my cup. Shoot. Oh, this isn't working well. The whole goal, oh, hold on. Ah, there we go. And I keep knocking this darn paper. And it's spilling the seeds too. So I'm glad I got out of here today. Okay, there we go. So basically, I'm just gonna grab all the seed pods that are brown and dried. I put them in my cup and then I'll shake them out. So I can't do this one-handed, so I will check with you guys. I filled this entire cup. And I have a really bad grip on it, but I filled this entire cup. And so I'm really pleased because I didn't have that many plants. This is the type of plant that if you want to make a statement with it, which I do because it's really lovely, you really have to have a lot of it. So I'm gonna get inside and I'm gonna pour them out on a like one of those aluminum baking sheets so I can start getting the seeds out of the pods. I've poured all the heads. As you can see, some of the seeds are starting to come out. I think I'll have a good amount. I do have some rose Nigella. I only have a few seeds left, so I'll have to reorder those, but I think this might be enough for next year. So, and there's the pooch. You want to see what I got in here, Bumpy? It's okay. It's okay. They're just seeds. See? Anyway, so yeah, so that's the first seed I've harvested. Have more plants I'm going to harvest, but I am really excited. This is the first time I've ever saved seeds. Okay guys, look at this. So I got all the heads open, I poured out the seeds, and this is what I got. So that's several hundred right there. And I'm really excited about that. I didn't have that many plants, to be quite honest. I don't even think I was able to plant 10 plants. And look at all the seeds that I got just from the few that I had. So I don't have to order any purple, blue, or white Nigella. Like I said, I want the rose color, but I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna go to Michael's and get some of those little plastic bags so I can store the seeds and label them. And boy, I can't wait for the zinnias to start forming seed heads because I'm gonna have a ridiculous amount of those. Okay guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video.